Good morning. So let's go over some rules before we start our stretches and our warm-up activities. We want to make sure that we have enough space for our activities to do them correctly and safely. 2, that we are wearing our sneakers and they are tied up. And 3, that we have a parent or guardian with us to help us out with activity if we need any help. So we're going to start off with some stretches. Jumping jacks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feet together, we're going to touch our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feet apart, we're going to stretch down to our right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands in front with a trunk twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms out again. We're going to balance on our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to jog in place again. We're not going to count. We are just going to jog. We'll slow it down to walking. Start back up with the jog again. And back to walking. And jogging. And walking. So for our next activity, we're going to do a little step to the right, step to the left. So step to the left, take 2 steps, and go back. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,